Guys, Freddy here, back with another video, and today, today AGCraft Plays is making another video, so, I'm making a video. AGCraft is making a video because, he told me this, because he thinks fireworks should be banned from America because they could cause fires everywhere. Whether they like burn houses, burn trees, burn the country, or burn everything. Like, fireworks are really dangerous, guys. Guys, if you see this video, you should see this video. Fireworks should be banned. Fireworks, seriously, guys, fireworks should be banned. Fireworks should be banned from America because they are dangerous. They can cause fires. They can cause fires out of the country or in cities or that's what AGCraft or /Anthony thinks. But guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And he'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, boys. Peace out. Peace out, guys.